Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jacquie O'Shea. I do beauty videos and hair tutorials here on my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my everyday hair look. It's quick and easy to do. You don't have to use a lot of products. You don't have to waste a lot of time in your hair. And I'm just going to show you the products overall before I do the tutorial of how I take care of my hair. It's not a lot, but it adds up to something, and I'm just going to go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to talk mainly about conditioner. I've been switching conditioner just because it is at that time of the year where our hair tends to get more dry, more frizzy. It needs a change overall, especially when your hair is tolerating a certain shampoo or conditioner, so I like to change things up. I normally use the L'Oreal Total Repair 5 60-second instant miracle treatments, like at least 2 to 3 times a week on my hair. But recently I've been using the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil conditioner, and this is for normal to very dry hair. It's just got 6 precious oils in it. Keep your hair soft and healthy and shiny. It does not weigh your hair down. It does not make it greasy. It just really gets in your hair and keeps it healthy and strong and just the moisture that it needs. And they also have one for normal to dry to coarse hair, but I thought that would be a bit too heavy on my hair, so that's why I'm using this one. And yeah, I really do like it. It does not cause issues with my hair, but I don't use it every time I wash my hair. I only use it like once a week, so I really like this stuff. And as far as dry shampoo goes, I use the Dove Refresh and Care line, the invigorating dry shampoo, and this is good for your hair. It instantly absorbs oils. It will not weigh your hair down. It does not make your hair greasy, and it does not dry your hair out. It's a very good dry shampoo. And I know there's a lot of good dry shampoos on the market, but I prefer this one, and I like how it makes my hair feel overall. So that's what I'm gonna mention product-wise for today. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do my hair. So normally I wear my hair up a lot of times just to help get it off and out of my face. So I'm just gonna do an updo for today's hair tutorial. Nothing too fancy, like I said in the beginning of the video, but just something out there, and it's not something you have to put too much time and effort into. So I'm just gonna do a high messy bun. What I just did was claw my hair, and some parts that are longer might come out, so you can just grab it and twist, and then I'm going to secure that with a hair tie. And you can play around with it, so you can like pull it apart if you want to make it look bigger and fuller. But I'm just going to go in with a second hair tie just to help keep it into place longer, because I do tend to have issues with hair falling out when it's up. Again, you can pull it just to make it look bigger or fluffier or messier. You can kind of do like a messy hairdo with this look, which is what I'm not really going for, but I'll do another video on it. Don't pull your hair back too tight when you're doing updos, because that will cause the hair shaft and the hair cuticles to break and get fragile, and then you'll lose hair strands and it'll cause long-term hair issues, and it just won't be good overall. So if you want, you can add some hairspray as well, but I try my best to avoid hairspray as much as I can, just because it dries the hair out even more, and it's not the best thing to use for your hair, so I'm not going to use hairspray. But yeah, this is pretty much the look. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Again, it's nothing too fancy, but this is something I would wear on a daily basis just to keep my hair up and out of my face. And yeah, if you want to see more video tutorials on different kinds of hairstyles, let me know in the comments down below. and I'll do that for you guys. And feel free to follow me on social media. And yeah, I'll enjoy this video. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!